Today is April 22nd, 2024. We're about a week away from the spring Thunderbeach rally and wanted to go over a couple of things. We are going to be offering full stage 2 installs. You'll have your choice of cam. We'll have the Zippers 468, SNS 475. We've got the push rods ready to go with all the installs of adjustable push rods, the breathers. We've got Thundermaxes, headers, your choice of mufflers. These stage 2s work really well on all the 107s, 114s, 117s, pre-2024. Wanted to do a little demo today. Thundermax came out with a couple of little upgrades. One of them pretty excited about is the throttle response. You can increase how quickly your throttle will respond now. Also a couple of new maps that were put out. This particular bike has the CR 480 cam in it, and wanted to give a drive-by of how this thing sounds with the CR 480 MT with the Pisani's, and this one's got bullies on it. But if anybody's interested in a stage 2, get with us at Frank Brown Park. We'll be doing the installs on site. So hang tight for a second. Let's get some demos, some drive-bys on this thing, the way it sounds at idle. There you have it. If you guys need any work done at Thunderbeach, give me a call. We've only got a few available appointments. We'll be operating Tuesday through Saturday. We could only do probably 2 cam installs a day, depending on the situation. But if you're interested, let us know. The number is 334-997-4906. I'm Steve. Talk to you soon.
The ace of spades.